YouTubers, this is Yulanda. I am Yulanda. I know you can't see me, but I'm gonna give you a apartment tour of my apartment in China. I'm an English teacher in China over here, and I enjoy it. So this is my first time doing a YouTube video. I have another video of a demo lesson of teaching, doing a demo lesson in China. So this is the front door. We take our shoes right here off on the rug here. You know, they put red everywhere because the red their color, that means like good luck. And over here we store shoes in here. So I'm gonna let you open it up. That's where we store our shoes. And I love this. When you walk in the apartment, you have a little bling bling. I love it. It is a beautiful apartment, beautiful apartment. Okay, I'm gonna walk on through, and this here is the living room slash dining room slash kitchen. This is a TV that came with it already, and the furniture, everything here came with it already. Sorry for the mess. We just came from the grocery shopping. But that's our little refrigerator here. Beautiful curtains here. And I'm gonna take you on into the kitchen. This is our kitchen. I love the deep sink here. It's a little messy, sorry. And this is our kitchen here with 2 aisles. I have to get used to using 2 aisles in here. That aisle and that aisle. I had to get used to it because I'm used to using 4 aisles in the United States. Okay, and I'm gonna take you on real quick to, oh, I forgot, in the living room, look up, and there's some more. I love it. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful apartment. It is actually a 3-bedroom apartment. This is where we keep our e-bikes. That's my e-bike I just recently purchased, and that's my roommate's e-bike to get around here in China. And again, this is the bathroom. This is the bathroom, and the toilet is inside the shower. I know. The toilet is inside the shower, but it's beautiful, beautiful place. And I'm gonna take you real quick into my room. And this is my room. TV come with it already. Excuse the mess. And this is the bed. I love it. It's comfortable. I had to get used to the bed, but it's very comfortable. And this is my dresser over here and my closet. Beautiful closet. It has a lot of shelf space up here to store, and on the inside also to store. So if you come to China, they have some beautiful places. So just want to say hey and welcome to China whenever you come. Subscribe on my YouTube channel, like. Again, this is my first time. Peace out, YouTube.